In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through QuickBooks to access and manage credit cards. If you're new to QuickBooks or just need a refresher on how to handle your credit card transactions, this guide is perfect for you. We'll walk through each step smoothly to ensure you feel confident when managing your business finances. Let's start by heading over to QuickBooks. Open up your browser and type in the URL for QuickBooks, or if you prefer, simply click on the QuickBooks app if it's already installed on your device. Once QuickBooks is open, you'll be greeted by the homepage, which is your central hub for managing your business accounting tasks. The next step is to direct your attention towards the menu. The menu is conveniently located on the left side of the screen. You'll find it labeled quite clearly as Menu. Give it a click. Think of the menu as your dashboard's gateway to various functions and features within QuickBooks. This is where you'll have easy access to manage your transactions, accounts, and, of course, your credit cards. Once you've clicked the menu, look for an option labeled Lending and Banking. This section is all about financial tools and services to assist your business. Click on Lending and Banking. This will guide you further into the financial management tools that QuickBooks offers. From here, locate and select Credit Card. You'll find this option listed as part of the Lending and Banking section. By selecting Credit Cards, you enter a dedicated area specifically for managing your credit card accounts and transactions. This section is indispensable for keeping track of your business expenses and ensuring you're on top of your financial obligations. Let's pause for a moment and think about why these steps are so crucial. Proper management of your credit card accounts in QuickBooks can have significant impacts on your cash flow and budgeting. It enables you to view all your transactions in one place, helping you make informed decisions and avoid any unwelcome surprises at the end of the month. Regularly checking this section will also aid in spotting any discrepancies or incorrect charges, giving you the chance to address them promptly. If you're ever uncertain about any transactions or need further assistance, QuickBooks provides detailed support and help documentation, readily accessible within the platform. By following these steps, you can seamlessly access and manage your credit card information in QuickBooks, paving the pathway to streamlined financial management. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful. Thank you for joining me today, and happy bookkeeping!